Welcome to yet another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find out missing books from the library or how to take library stock. Okay, so here I am following one method that can be followed by you also. So we know that each and every year at the end of the year we'll have to take stock verification in the library. Of course, Koha provides an option for finding out missing books in the library. Under the module tool module, there is an option for uploading your scanned barcode numbers into the Koha, and the system will show you the missing. So there is an option in Koha called inventory. So the limitation is that in Koha we can only import 1000 rows per import. Okay, and that also lags of downloading downloading the list of missing books as a CSV or any spreadsheet format. So as far as a huge library is concerned, a library that has a huge collection, it will be very difficult to do the importing of the data into the Koha and identify the missing books. So here I am trying another method that I am going to show you. I'll show you. Okay, first what I have done here is that I have created one Google Sheet. The reason why I am using Google Sheet is that we'll be taking the stock verification in the library not by one day. That may take 1 or 2, 3 days. So you'll have to keep if we are using Excel, you'll have to keep the Excel sheet properly. Okay, so in order to avoid that, it is better to use Google Sheet. Okay, here I have created one Google Sheet with the name Stock Verification 2025. Actually, I have created one original sheet is there, but I have copied from that to another for the demonstration. Okay, so simply create one Google Sheet, and in the column A, row number 1, you just start scanning each and every books in the library by going all library shelf and get all the barcode number of the entire book. Okay, entire book. Then you need to create you need to rename this sheet into another name that will be, you can use whatever the name you want. I'm just naming it as from shelf, so that it will be very easy to identify the sheet and also the data. Okay, now let me create one more sheet which I name as from Koha. Okay, and I am just dragging this sheet to first, so that here I'll be pasting the available barcode number or available the accession number of the available books in the Koha. Okay, we don't require the accession number of the books which have checked out or issued to the users, because it is checked out, it is there. Okay, so first sheet will be from Koha and second sheet will be from shelf, where I have arranged all the accession numbers of the books in the library shelf. Okay, now let me create one report that will give us all the available books in the library. That means the books which are not issued to anyone. Okay, here is the SQL query I have created or written here. If you are using one library in a Koha, you could use this SQL query. I am using another query because I am under one Koha with a different branch name. So EC is the branch code for the branch code of my branch library. So I'm using this query because I'm in under a branch library. Okay. So let me copy the SQL code, then go back to the Koha report module, create from SQL books, not books available in Koha, and I just copy paste the SQL query. Then I am gonna save the report. Let me run the report and I will get the available books in the Koha along with its call number. I repeat, the books which are issued to someone else will not be there in this report because we know they are already checked out. So this is the books, list of books excluded with the checked out book. Okay. Now let me download this report as a CSV. Let me go back to the download folder and open this report. Okay, I'm just deleting the header here. Remember the Google Sheet also not having any header. Okay. Then now let me copy the entire data. Copy. Come back to the Google Sheet. Under from Koha Sheet, I'll copy the data. I'll paste the data here. See, without header. This is the list of available barcodes as well as its call number. Okay. So from Koha, this is the data. From shelf, this is the data. Now let's come back to the from Koha sheet and go to the C column or the third column. Here we will just simply paste one Excel formula, that is nothing but VLOOKUP function that is used to compare data from different sheets. So you don't need to learn the formula. You go to my blog, copy the formula, come back to the sheet. Here just to simply paste the formula, hit enter. Formula, hit enter. Okay. So what exactly this formula does is that this will compare this barcode number in the from shelf sheet. Okay. And if it is available in the from sheet, it will be displayed here. If it is not, it will display not available or NA. Okay. So once you received this, you simply drag this cell until the last row. Or you can just simply double click. If it is not completed, you complete it. Okay. So this hash NA means that is not available in this from shelf sheet, that means that book is missing. Now let us sort this from Koha sheet that has compared data as well. So simply select the sheet, then click data, advanced range sorting, select the C column. Okay, C means the newly newly generated data. Okay, click on sort, then you come at the last part where you will see NA. So these are the books that are not there in the shelf but are in the Koha as an available book. That means these books are missing books. Now select this data, copy. You could either create a Excel or again create a Google Sheet. Let me create an Excel sheet. Simply paste it. I'll add one column and I'll number it. Fill series. And let me border it. See, these are the books which are missing in the library. Total 43 books are there, not available. Now it is very easy to re-verify the books in the library shelf. You can simply go to the shelf using the call number and find out whether the book is there or missing or misplaced, and we can confirm or verify the missing using this new sheet. Okay. I hope this video will be beneficial for you. You can go to my blog and read the blog post. Okay, I'll attach the this video in the blog post itself. Okay. I have added one option in my blog. If my contents are beneficial or useful for you, you try to buy me a coffee. Here is a QR code. You can make a payment using this UPI, or if you are using a mobile phone, you can simply click the amount that will open your UPI app, and you can buy me a coffee